we're on the lake nice and early. It's freaking cold, like 30 degrees out here. Me and Chacon are out here on the big boat, and we haven't been out here in a little bit. The water level went back up, which is nice, so it's easier to launch. But we're gonna just, you know, cruise around and see what we can find. Crappie, bass, anything. Actually, you guys won't even see this, but I got out twice this week. I was at Pyramid once in Balboa and did not catch a thing. So what's up, everybody? Got something different today. Castaic's just blowing out, so hitting up Pyramid. Haven't been up here in almost a year or so. Yo, Lake Balboa, guys. Haven't been here in a minute, but I keep seeing some decent fish coming out of here. So I need to catch some fish today, so hopefully that's gonna happen. Find some schools out here. All right, later. There you go. Oh, got one. Oh, right there. Keep coming, and then go up a little bit. Yeah, and then just work it right in that spot. Here, right up. Oh, I just got hit. Got one. Actually, he just ate it while it's sitting there. Oh God, it's beauty. It's so nice, too. We can keep them. I mean, keep them alive. Well, the first net fish. That's the swim bait I want to throw right there, the crappie. Oh God, that's a beauty. That's a beast. Dang, dude, that's the biggest one, maybe. He's actually looks pretty good. He didn't blow up or anything. Oh yeah, he hardly even got hooked. Cool. Yes, guys. Crappie central.
Gotta lay hooks, watch your anchor.
Okay. Look at that. Slap, dude. Dang. All right, guys. That's a. Oh, that's like 2 pounds. Let me just do a quick wait and get this guy back. Oh, over 2.
Oh my God.
2.08. I think it's my PB. All right, get you back. Get you back. Yeah. We'll get back over, Joe.
This guy.
I wasn't even recording. That might be a bass. Yeah, I think it's a bass. Unless it's, or it's a giant crappie, dude. Oh, he's just totally foul hooked. Thanks, dude. Slap City. He is. He's good. We'll get over him again. You're totally good.
Is that like a rubber net?
Yeah. Alright, guys. Still a nice one. Those things are pretty, aren't they? I know. Isn't that nuts? They still just hammer them, dude.
Hammer them?
Yes. Yeah, guys. It was cool though. We had a bunch of.
I don't know if it's like that just when it's convenient.
Yeah.
A couple weeks ago, she's like, "Oh, my friends, anybody?"
Got one.
Not today, because you're gonna make a mess of it.
Let's go, baby. Double freaking hit on the old Rios. I saw those guys there. I started. Hold on. Just want to take a picture of you. That's it. Just want to take a picture of you. It's a little dude though. Big fish. Let's go.
Cold. Get a.
Later, dude.
You sound like
Yeah, my buddy Chacon had to leave early, so I dropped him off, and I'm just right to the back here fishing this A-rig right around whatever remaining grass I can find back there. Whoa. So I didn't have any bites on the A-rig for a while, so I grabbed the drop shot here, and it's just real calm conditions. So you can see bass kind of coming in and out of the grass down there, and I'm just fishing the grass line here with the little drop shot Castaic. Castaic. So as I have the drop shot out here, the wind starts to finally pick up. So right away, I reach for the A-rig again, and I just throw it across this wind-blown point. And if you watch my buddy Dominic from Double Digit Angler, you know, he's always fishing that A-rig in the winds, and that's when the bites really pick up. There's one. Thank you. Thanks.
So when I don't like it, you like it.
Exactly. I've actually got another good one in here too. Yeah, I got a couple good guys. Nice.